Very good afternoon to all. Today we can see about pelvic floor. In the picture, we can see pelvic floor. Coming to the pelvic floor means it is a muscular facial structure occupying pelvic outlet and is pierced by urethra, vagina, and anus in females. It is a muscular partition that separates pelvic cavity from anatomical perineum. Coming to the components of the pelvic floor, muscles that span the pelvic floor is known as pelvic diaphragm. Diaphragm consists of mainly levator ani and coccygeus muscles. Then, inferior to the pelvic diaphragm, perineal membrane and perineal body also contribute to pelvic floor. That means pelvic floor consists of mainly levator ani, coccygeus muscles, perineal membrane and perineal body. Levator ani. Levator ani is the most important muscle in pelvic floor and it forms the critical component of pelvic organ support. Normally, this maintains a constant state of contraction and this provides support to the weight of the abdominopelvic contents against intra-abdominal force. Contents of the levator ani: pubococcygeus, iliococcygeus, and puborectalis. In the picture, we can see pubococcygeus, iliococcygeus, and puborectalis. Other muscles of the pelvic floor includes bulbospongiosus, ischio-cavernous, superficial transverse perineal muscle, deep transverse perineal muscle, sphincter ani externus. In the picture, we can see the different pelvic floor muscles. Here is the ischio-cavernous, then bulbocavernous, then superficial transverse muscle, external anal sphincter. Then coming to the anatomical perineum. The boundaries include above by inferior surface of pelvic floor, below skin between buttocks and thigh, laterally ischiopubic ischial tuberosity, sacrotuberous ligament, and posteriorly by coccyx. Then this is divided into two triangles, anteriorly urogenital triangle, posteriorly by anal triangle, then perineal body being the central point of perineum. In the picture, we can see this anterior triangle, posterior triangle. Urogenital triangle, this is pierced by terminal part of vagina and urethra, and this consists of mainly deep pouch and superficial pouch and perineal membrane in between the two. Then coming to the obstetrical perineum or perineal body. That is, perineal body means it is a pyramidal shaped tissue where pelvic floor and perineal muscles and fascia meet in between vagina and anal canal. This measures about 4 to 4 centimeters. Coming to the importance of this perineal body, this helps to support the levator ani, support posterior and anterior vaginal wall, and this is vulnerable to injury during childbirth, and this is the part where the episiotomy is performed. And this is the picture showing the perineal body. Then coming to the importance of pelvic floor. Uterus is indirectly supported by this pelvic floor, and this plays an important role in anterior rotation of the presenting part and directs it downwards and forwards along the birth canal. This is about pelvic floor. Thank you.